Good morning everyone, myself Kalyani, representing the Department of Microbiology, Dayanand Sagar College of Dental Science. Today I am going to demonstrate gram staining. The reagents which I am going to use is crystal violet, grams iodine, acetone and safranin. This is distilled water for rinsing and blotting paper for air dry, and also I have a slide in which the smear is already heat fixed. Fixation. The smear made from this slide from bacterial culture or specimen is air dried and then heat fixed. Here we have a slide which is already heat fixed. Now begin with the step 1, that is primary stain. The smear is stained with para-rose-aniline dyes like crystal violet for 1 minute. Crystal violet stains all the bacteria violet in color irrespective of whether they are gram positive or gram negative. 1 minute is over. Now we will rinse the slide with distilled water. Next is step 2, which is the mordant step. Here grams iodine is poured over the slide for 1 minute. Here the grams iodine acts as a mordant. 1 minute is done. Now we'll rinse the slide with distilled water. Step 3, it's a decolorization step where we'll pour a few drops of decolorizer to the smear. Ethyl alcohol, which will be kept for 20 to 30 seconds. Slide is immediately rinsed with water. Decolorizer removes the primary stain from gram-negative bacteria while the gram-positive bacteria retain the primary stain. Now it's the step 4, which is the counter stain. Here we are using safranin. The other reagents which can be used is dilute carbon fission. This is kept for 30 seconds. It imparts pink or red color to the gram-negative bacteria. Now the slide is rinsed and kept for air drying in blotting paper. Once the slide is straight, it is focused under oil immersion objective. The slide is kept for air drying. Now I'll tell how to interpret gram staining. Gram-positive bacteria will resist decolorization and then they would have taken up the color of crystal violet, which is violet. Then the gram-negative bacteria, they are decolorized and they would have taken up the color of safranin, which is pink in color. Now the slide is dried. I will focus it under oil immersion objective. I'll add a drop of oil. We have seen the pictures of gram staining under 100x. Now to conclude, I'll summarize the steps of gram staining. The step 1 was the primary stain where we use crystal violet for 1 minute. Step 2 was the mordant step where we use grams iodine for 1 minute. Step 3 is the decolorizer step. It was ethyl alcohol for 30 seconds. And the step 4 is safranin that is acts as a counter stain and that is also kept for 30 seconds. And it has to be focused under oil immersion objective.